Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just doing a real quick get ready with me cosplay video on how I get ready for my Barbara Gordon Batgirl cosplay, and yeah, so let's get started. Basically first, because I'm wearing a mask that covers like half of my face for this, I'm not even going to go over and do full foundation. We're just going to cover some bits. And I'm just going to take my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and go in and do some, where is the brush? Helps if I take the brush out of its case. I'm just going to pop in and do some quick contouring. Contouring done. Alright, you totally don't even see my eyebrows in this, so I don't have to do my brows. Winning! Gonna go in and set a nice neutral base for my eyeshadow look. I don't want to use that palette. I'm gonna use my new chocolate gold palette, because I can. And no, I'm not using an eye primer right now. That is merely for the fact that I'm not going out today, so I don't need this makeup to stay all day. Oh, wasn't expecting that. I got some powder in my mouth. Not only does it smell like chocolate, it tastes like chocolate. That was unexpected and really weird. I'm actually super, I did not make this costume. I bought it from a friend of mine, and I'm really excited to go shoot it, but I'm thinking I need to wait until the snow goes away, because while yeah, I'm not like exposed in this costume, it's really fucking cold outside, and quite frankly, I don't really fancy freezing in the snow to shoot this right now. I think I need a little bit darker. Need a little bit darker in the corners. Alright, so now we're going to go in with some of this awesome chocolate gold shimmer, because black and yellow, black and gold, it's like a thing. Oh, that's beautiful. And then I'm going to go in with Rich Girl here, which is this really nice, really light shimmer just in the corner. And then that's that. Gonna pop on some eyeliner with mascara and lashes, and then I will be right back. Okay, I'm back with my eyeliner and my lashes done. Gonna do a little bit of highlighting, just basically my nose, Cupid's bow, and probably pop some under the brow. I'm just using my Sephora Moschino highlighter, because this one's got a nice little like peachy gold. And then we are going in with a Makeup Forever lip paint. Alright, time to pop my wig and mask on, and then I will be right back. And that's it. So that is the super quick, simple, easy makeup for my Barbara Gordon Batgirl. Yay! Honestly, I'm in love with this cape. It's just like swish, swish. Anyway, that is all for now. I will see you guys next time. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button. If you want to see more of them in the future and the other videos and shenanigans that I do, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you want to check out any of my other social medias, those links are all in the description box down below. I will see you guys next time. Bye! Like my other social medias.